So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a replacement hose for the cross faucet. The sink and faucet came together straight out of Home Depot. Homeowner ordered one. They shipped it overnight and got the hose out here for replacement. So what we've done here is gone ahead and just tied it back in underneath. We did relocate the weight up on the vertical hose, which is where it's supposed to be. You don't want it hanging here dead bottom because it just puts weight and kinks the bottom of the hose. Most manufacturers will put a mark on the hose to show you where the weight goes, but it belongs on the vertical. So you can see right here, that's the weight, and it's on the vertical. So you know, down here it pulls and presses on it, and it's just a hose in there, and then a braided nylon is supposed to keep it in place, but you don't want the weight right here dead bottom. So a little bit of conflict between the cold water. It's kind of sticking out. You can see the cold water moving back and forth a little bit, and it's a conflict between the hose, but I think it's a pretty straight shot up. You've got the high loop for the island vent, and it should, you know, the weight's probably going to hit it just a little bit, I can see, but it should operate, you know, pretty smoothly. You've got about 18 inches of pull before that weight hits the bottom of the countertop, so should be in good shape. The soap dispenser is in there completely sideways, mainly because the hole was cut too close to the sink. As long as that stays in place, you should be good. And up top, you can see there's the hose. So everything's in good shape. Outside of that, this installation is done.